Okay, Form 3 students, in this video I will demonstrate about the quiz on chapter 2. Okay, so it's about scientific notation. So the first one, okay, round off the following. Remember, I need to round off in 3SF and express them in scientific notation. So there are two directions to do it. So first of all, you need to change it to scientific notation 1, 2, so you need to move the decimal, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5, so it should be 9.87654 because it's moved to the left by 5 digits, so it's 10 to the power 5. And then you need to change to scientific notation. It should be approximate to 9.88. Okay, because the third decimal place is 7, so we just observe 6, you jump one more digit, so it's 9.88 times 10 to the power 5, so 3 significant figures. So for part B, okay, let's count how many digits move to the right. Okay, the decimal point here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, enough because it's 1.08 something. So okay, which is between 1 to 10, so it should be 1.083 times 10 to the power negative 3, and change to 3 significant figures, it will become 1.08. okay, because we just observe 3 is equal to cancel, okay, because which is less than 5, so the answer should be 1.08 times 10 to the power negative 3, so 3 significant figures. Okay, so we finished the first one, and second one expressed into integer or decimal. So the first one, 3.14 to 10 to the power negative 4, so it should become smaller and change to move the decimal to the left. Okay, so by 4 digit, okay, so it's 1, 2, okay, give 1 0, 3, 1 0, 4, 1 0. Okay, so it should be equal to 0.0000314. Okay, so we finish. And for next one, okay, for negative 5.8 to 10 power 8, so I just move to the right, become larger, okay, by 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that means 170. So it should equal to negative, okay, 5, 8, okay, 7, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so finish question number 2. And number 3, okay, remember we need to use the calculator, so you need to calculate with steps. Okay, so first part is change to scientific notation. Okay, therefore for 40 millions it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means 4 times 10 to the power 7 plus 8 times 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 10 to the power 8 is the first part. And second part, okay, check a smaller index. Okay, so obviously 7 is a smaller index. Okay, so it should be 4 times 10 to the power 7 plus 8 times 10 to the power 1 plus 7. Okay, is a key step. And the third one, okay, common factor. Okay, it should be, in this time it should be 10 to the power 7, right? So take out common factor, 10 to the power 7, and then 4 plus 8 times 10, that means 80. So it should become 84 times 10 to the power 7. And the fourth step, it is changed back to scientific notation. Okay, so therefore it should be 8.4 times 10 times 10 to the power 7, and the result should be 8.4 times 10 to the power 8. Okay, so we finish the part A. And part B, okay, so I clean the right. Okay, it's more easy, okay, because it is multiplication. So it's 5 times 7 times 10 to the power 9 times 10 to the power negative 14. So for 7 times 5 is 35. So it's multiplied by 10 to the power negative 5. But you need to change back to scientific notation. That means 3.5 times 10 times 10 to the power negative 5. And the result should be 3.5 times 10 to the power, remember, is 1 minus 5, that means it's equal to negative 4. Okay. So for the last question is about application question. The Twitter user are estimated to generate nearly 100,000 tweets, okay, for every second. So remember, it's 100,000 tweets for per second, okay. And how many tweets will be generated in 1 week? So we need to find how many seconds in 1 week, okay. How many seconds in 1 week? Okay, so remember, for 1 week we have 7 days. For each day we have 24 hours. And for each hours we have, okay, maybe write it more detail. Okay, for 1 week, okay, we have 7 days. And for each days we have 24 hours. And for each hours we have 60 minutes. And for each minute we have 60 seconds, right? So, and then that total this type of seconds, and you need to multiply by 100,000. Okay, so by calculator you can find it, or you can multiply by yourself. It's just 604,800 seconds. Okay, and then you need to multiply by 100,000 tweets. Okay, so which is equal to, okay, 604,800 and then 2030. So, and then change to scientific notation, start from a decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop here, right? So it's 6.048 times 10 to the power 10, okay? Or you can express in the 3 significant figures. That means 0.05 times 10 to the power 10 tweets. Okay, so that's the end of question number 4. Thank you.